What up, y'all? It's One Sir Grove. Study time for me. I have my materials out, study materials. Had to delve back into electronics engineering because that's what I study on the side is electrical engineering and electronics engineering and just engineering in general. But mostly electronics and electrical. So I'm in power systems here as well as optics. And I'm thinking, okay, on an exoplanet, setting up a base of operations. What are the atmospheric conditions for that particular planet? And then how are radio communications affected or impacted based on that atmospheric condition of that particular planet? So I'm looking at these different principles and concepts of electronics engineering. And it's amazing what's astonishing rather, in terms of what was once believed. Because this source here is saying that the Greeks were the very first to observe any type of electrical activity. And I'm like, no, that's not even true, man. That's completely fucking false. Wasn't the Greeks? They weren't the very first. In fact, the Egyptians before the Greeks, they had batteries. They used batteries. And based on what I know of the Sumerians and the Anunnaki, and the Babylonians, and even before that, there were and are ancient advanced civilizations that clearly visited Earth and remained on Earth for some time. Some of them are probably still here. There are probably some remnants of those civilizations still existing, that is. They clearly knew about electrical energy, electricity, and the electromagnetic spectrum. They harness certain power, certain electrical energy sources, systems, and that's how they got here in the first place, by using anti-gravity to traverse space. It's very obvious. Greeks weren't the first. Don't know why someone wants to ascribe that is a sign, that milestone to the Greeks. Maybe because someone is trying to create a narrative, trying to create a false history, trying to give Greeks, for whatever reason, they want for there to be some type of romantic story where the Greeks were the first to discover electricity. It's like, come on, dude, cut the shit, man. Stop fucking lying, dude.